Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and I'm here with a new robot vacuum cleaner from YEEDI. This is the M12 Pro Plus and I have never been more impressed with a robot vacuum slash mop. This is a really incredible device. It is super smart and it has some features that I have never seen before. And I have checked out a lot of robot vacuum cleaners, but this is next level. You're gonna see the cleaning station. This does put new fresh water in, empties out the old dirty water into the tank. Not only that, it actually cleans your mop pads for you with hot water. I've never seen that one before. And then dries them with hot air for a truly sanitary cleaning experience. Speaking of those mop pads, they do this really cool thing where they kick out to the side and they actually clean perfectly all along the edges of your home to get, again, a more superior clean. This is perfect for families like mine with pets because it has an anti-tangle brush roll and an incredible 11 kPa suction power. That's crazy. I don't think I've ever seen a vacuum like that, especially not a robot vacuum cleaner. So it's gonna get even deep stuck in hair in your carpets. But don't worry, when it is cleaning your carpets, the mop pads will actually raise up to where you don't have to worry about them getting wet. This is truly super smart. It's going to map your home, and then in the app, you're gonna be able to set no-go zones, choose scenarios for your cleaning, all kinds of stuff. I cannot wait to show it to you. So stick around for this video so you can see this thing in action and see all of those really cool features that just make this next level in your household cleaning. So the first thing you're gonna notice about the YEEDI is this little mop pad over on the side. So that's a little different than some of your other robot vacuum cleaners out here. That's because this is using the TruEdge technology. It's adaptive edge cleaning. So look at this. See how close it gets right up to the edge to get almost 99% of every single surface actually clean. I've never seen another robot vacuum cleaner do that. This is actually getting my floors, every surface, every edge, truly clean and hitting that mop everywhere. Speaking of the mop, look at this. See how those mop pads are lifted? That happens automatically. It's AutoLift technology when your robot is on carpet. That way your carpets do not get wet. Of course, the smart features do not end there. There's actually a cleaning mode that uses AI to intelligently generate cleaning settings according to your cleaning habits, cleaning histories, floor materials, room types, and dirtiness of the floor. And it can do that absolutely all automatically. You just choose that setting in the app. Really cool. So you might be wondering, how does this actually perform on carpet? A lot of robot vacuum cleaners are really more like sweepers, but not this one. This boasts 11,000 PAs of suction. It's really incredible. And yes, it's perfect for pets. No tangle brush roll. And check this out. This is after just a few moments. We've got tons of pet hair, even on seemingly clean carpets. So this is your setup. You will connect to Bluetooth using the app, and then your next step is to actually map your home. It maps really quickly, and I was so impressed with how accurate this is. It gives you a 3D map of your home, and it separates everything into individual rooms. It's really awesome how quickly the mop is able to do this and how accurate it is. This really allows you to harness the power of your smart app. From there, you're going to be able to choose individual rooms, how often you would like them cleaned, and exactly how you want them cleaned. You'll also be able to set up particular zones, for example, a no-go zone, or a zone where is a no mop zone. All really fun stuff. The app in general is very powerful and it's super customizable. You're going to be able to choose things like your suction power, your cleaning mode, like vacuum only, vacuum and mop, vacuum then mop, as well as your water flow rate for when you are mopping, depending, on your type of floors. You can choose different cleaning passes, the suction mode, and even your cleaning speed to tell exactly how deep of a clean you would like. Maybe you want a quick mode
Maybe you want something that is really, really thorough. You can choose all of that in the app. One of the most unique features in the app is the ability to clean by different scenarios. And of course, you can set up those scenarios for yourself, or you can use the ones that are recommended by YEEDI, for example, a daily clean or a deep clean. Currently, I am mopping and vacuuming at the same time with a medium water flow rate and using the standard suction power. This is in the deep cleaning pattern, so you can tell it's really getting every single spot and kind of making a tighter, linear passes. But this is doing a really great job, and those are my current favorite settings, the ones that I use most often. You can tell it's doing a great job because look at this. I know that you see that line right there. How satisfying is that? You've got the sparkling clean floors and the ones that it's about to clean, and I just absolutely love this. You can tell it does a great job of getting right up to the edge of everything, but never hitting your baseboards. It's not going to scuff up your walls. Look at that. You can even see the little lasers that it's using to actually see around. So this has one of the best abilities that I've ever seen to not hit your walls, not hit obstacles, and that really makes your robot vacuum just that much safer and more convenient to use around your home. When the job is done, the YEEDI will actually go park itself, and then you're going to hear something pretty cool. That will be the sound of it emptying everything into this self-cleaning Omni Station. So you are going to empty all of that dirty water out, have a large tank for all of your dust and debris, and then you are going to hear the sound of this actually drying your mop pads for you after it washes them with hot water. So you're using hot air and hot water to actually get your mop pads totally clean, and it does it all for you.
Thank you so much for checking out the YEEDI M12 Pro Plus with me. I am truly, truly impressed. This is my new best friend for keeping my floors clean and me really not having to do much of anything. It's super, super easy. It's sanitary, it's fast, and that app has so many different options to where it's going to be perfect for your unique situation. I absolutely love this one. I know that you guys are going to love it as well. Go ahead and get to shopping.